What's up, Sharon friends? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, we're going to be doing a thorough breakdown of SANA, ticker symbol SANA. Today's video is going to have three main segments: the why, the what, and the when. The why is going to be going over the catalyst breakdown, the what is going to be going over the stock analysis, and then the when, we're going to be doing some chart analysis, telling you guys exactly when to get in and when to get out, all right? So, with that said, hit the thumbs up button, and also, if you haven't yet, guys, please subscribe, because my birthday is coming up on January 15th, and I only have one birthday wish: to be at 25,000 subscribers before my birthday. So let's try to get me there. Thank you. Let's do this. All right. Now, let's talk about SANA. So, why do we discuss the why first, right? Why is the why more important than the what? This is the number one question that I always get people, right? Sam, shouldn't we be doing the what before the why? What you guys need to understand is that we are traders. And as traders, we need volatility, right? And we want to know whether or not the volatility that has been caused in SANA, right, ticker symbol SANA, let me pull up the chart right now, right, is actually volatility that that is sustainable for the stock to hold, or is it going to be a move that's here today, gone tomorrow, right? So with that in mind, we want to first break down the catalyst that has caused the stock to get to where it's at right now, because in order to predict the future, the first thing we need to do is understand the past, all right? So let's get into it. So when it comes to SANA, what has caused the stock to run all the way from $1 to now the $4 levels, were originally $8 but now dipped down to $4 per share, was that the company went ahead and announced some massive news regarding the positive clinical results from the type 1 diabetes study of the islet cell transplantation without immunosuppression. Okay, so pretty good. So they went ahead and they had a cell transplant without the immune system getting destroyed, pretty much. I'm no scientist, I'm a trader, but one thing I can tell is that this is a very strong catalyst, right? And it in fact is a catalyst, right? Because a lot of times you'll see stocks that are running based off of no catalyst and pretty much just running off of a convictionless rally, as we were to call it, right? And I think that in the case of SANA, that is not the case. So we're gonna go ahead, guys, and we're gonna take the catalyst, we're gonna take the breaking news all the way and put it as great, because this is truly great news. Okay, now the next thing we want to talk about is going to be the company's volatility. So how volatile is SANA? So now that we've gotten past the why, now we move on to the what. When it comes to the company's volatility, the company has a market cap of 960 million. Now this is per se not that volatile, so we're going to put it as bad. Now it doesn't mean that the company is bad, it just means that the stock is not going to be as volatile as, let's say, a company that has a market cap of 10 million or 15 million, right? Again, guys, the stock market is simple supply and demand. And when demand increases and the supply is small, then the price increases massively. But if the supply is a lot, then it will take a way bigger demand to cause the stock's volatility, right? And that's really what we're measuring over here. So don't take this bad as, oh, SANA is bad. No, just SANA's volatility is a little bit on the weaker side. All right. Now, next thing we want to talk about is going to be the company's finances. So the company's finances are actually not that good. The company only has 8.1 months of operating expenses covered, considering that every single quarter they burn $51 million worth of cash, and right now they have an estimated cash of only 140 million. Okay. So with that said, guys, we're gonna take this and we're gonna put this as, we're going to put their cash as okay as well. Now let's talk about the probabilities of them rug pulling us. The probabilities of them rug pulling us, aka announcing dilution, is actually relatively low, considering historically they haven't done so much and their overhead supply is right now low as well. Now, right now they are a little bit low on cash and the stock has been running massively, and we do know that companies like to dilute when their stock is relatively more on the expensive side. So for that reason, we're not going to give them great, all right? We're just going to give them good, okay? Meaning that it's less likely than normal, but it's not unlikely. Okay, then I guess I'll be okay actually. Next thing we want to talk about, guys, look at our short king. We're going to be talking about the short interest. Okay, so the short interest of SANA has actually increased massively. Over the past 7 days. Let's go over here. Never mind, it's actually relatively flat, but the stock does have a pretty big short interest at 30%. This 30% as well, guys, is not real, right? I think that so many people say, oh, 30% is so little, Sam. We're used to stocks having like 3,000%. This 30% is just tip of the iceberg, because it doesn't account for naked shorts, doesn't account for synthetic shares, doesn't account for dark pool volume. It really doesn't account for majority of what short interest really is, right? And it's just accounting for like your typical trader trading the stock short interest. Okay, so for that reason, we're going to put the short interest as good as well. Now, next thing we want to talk about is going to be the charts. So let's talk about the charts. Right now, let's get breaking down the charts. So when it comes to the charts, guys, the stock does have a strong level of support over here at approximately $4.30. If it does break $4.30, which is the top set of these candles, let's say 4.15. let's say 4.15 to $4, right? This level, the top side of these candles over here, right? And also the bottom side of these candles, $4 to 4.15, and $4 is also a psychological level, so that's why we're paying attention to it heavily. If it breaks below 4, it's probably falling down to 370, and if it breaks 370, boy, oh boy, it's not going to be looking good, man. It's not going to be looking good, and it's going to be a devastating look for this ticker. Now, right over here, like I was saying, the $4 level looks massive. So it's probably, if it breaks $4, it's probably headed down to this, I would say, $3.30 to $3. Okay, I would see it around $3 to $3.30, right? If it breaks below 4. Now, you know, depending on how the markets are trading tomorrow, it's going to be very, very interesting to see where this ticker goes. It is going to require a lot of volume, and personally, when it comes to resistances, I wouldn't be buying it unless it goes ahead and breaks above this $5 level. Above $5 is going to be bullish for the test of 580-ish to $6. But below $5, I think that it's still gonna have some bearish sentiment to it, right? And again, it's gonna require a lot of momentum. Now, we will be day trading Sana potentially, right? Depending on what the volume looks like. So I highly suggest you guys check out our Discord. Guys, our Discord comes with a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. And right now, the next 10 members that join leading up to my birthday, they get access to the Discord for a 50% discount, okay? Check it out. There's never been a better time to try out at least a 7-day free trial. We give you guys day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, crypto alerts, one-on-one access, lessons. Everything you ever wanted is in here when it comes to the trading community. Wilson says, hi Sam, thank you for hard work on the community. My 7-day free trial finished. It was great. I think you can afford the membership this week. You brought in 7K in 7 days. I'm like, you're damn right, bro. You can afford it for the next decade, right? We've been kicking ass, guys. We've been kicking ass. We have now over 600 members coming back month after month. There is a reason why people keep coming back, my friends, is because the word of mouth is a very, very strong thing, and people keep telling each other. Wise Louis says, my first ever gain since I joined this community. Very satisfied, glad to. So these are actually from October. Let's go to an earlier time. Let's see. Hopped on and off. Taking off this year. You're really helping us make a better life financially, bro. Your course is helping me build my knowledge and confidence. 22% today. Bam. Okay, so again, remember, we have lessons. We also have alerts. We're really a one-stop shop when it comes to traders. May not look like much in comparison to others' wins, but as a 16-year-old, there's a big achievement in just one day. Thank you, Sam and Nigeria. Bam. Okay, made a killing there. Let's jump to more of a present date. Let's see the bam 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 LAES, right? Thank you, Sam, and the rest of the gang plus $500. Literally new member. Okay, literally joined like today. Okay, like, and he's already kicking ass. Okay, Dog, shout out Dog. He said almost 1K today. Again, new member, kicking ass. Shout out Dog. Thank you, my man. Dead Purple killed it. Tempo Trader, not too shabby. Makes no sense lying at all. It's all thanks to Sam and AG Racing, up 100% the past month. Guys, we've been kicking ass, okay? There's a reason, again, like people keep going back because they're making money, right? Steve says, read this though. Up 11,409 days trading with you guys in a 25K account. Interesting. Past month, look at these results from Top Trade Academy is lit. 231% the past month. It's not easy being green unless you're in Discord. 30K to 37K. Maybe pause it and read some of these, guys. Maybe pause it and read some of these. You know, I'm not going to go through every single one, but we've been kicking ass, man. I highly suggest checking out the free trial. What I would do is I would join for the first 7 days, see if I make money or not. If I make money, I'll stick around. If I don't make money, I'll pack my bags and I'll leave and I'll never look back. That's what I would do. And I suggest that's what you do as well. Considering right now the next 10 members that join, they also get a good deal. With that said, my friends, I wish you guys the best of luck, man, whether it's in trading or their life. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.